This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making steamed pork ribs with black bean sauce. Let's start off with the black beans. Soak the black beans in water and set them aside. I have here 500 grams of pork ribs. Get your butcher to chop them up into smaller pieces, about 3 to 4 cm. My butcher was in a hurry, so my pork ribs here are a lot bigger than that. Marinate these pork ribs with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of light soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix this well and keep on mixing it till most of the liquid has been absorbed. There shouldn't be much liquid left at the bottom of the bowl. Cut up the white parts of the spring onions and put them into the plate of pork ribs. Cut up the green parts and set them aside for garnishing. Next, cut and deseed a chilli. Put half of it into the plate of pork ribs and set the other half aside for garnishing as well. Finally chop up the garlic and the ginger. Drain the black beans and roughly chop them up as well. Mix this well. Arrange the pork ribs nicely with the presentation side facing up. Steam the pork ribs over high heat for about 30 to 40 minutes. Steam it longer if you want it to be more tender. My pork ribs are relatively big and thick, so I'm going for 40 minutes here. I forgot to cover the ribs with a layer of cling wrap before steaming, so I did this halfway through the steaming process. Just make sure that your cling wrap is made for steaming. It will state this on the packaging. Alternatively, you can cover the ribs with another plate. Before serving, garnish with spring onions and chilies. This is pork ribs with black bean sauce.